Deep cleaning. Transparent surfaces. So satisfying. Transparent surfaces like glass, acrylic, and crystal can easily lose their shine due to dust, fingerprints, and stains. A proper, deep cleaning not only restores clarity, but also adds elegance to your space. This guide will help you achieve flawless, streak-free transparency every time. Why deep cleaning transparent surfaces matters. Clear surfaces instantly make a room feel brighter and cleaner. Dirt and smudges can block light and make even modern interiors look dull. Regular deep cleaning preserves their beauty and prevents long-term damage. Essential tools for crystal clear results. You don't need expensive equipment to achieve professional results. A few reliable tools can transform the cleaning process. Microfiber cloths for a streak-free finish. A gentle glass cleaner or homemade vinegar solution, a soft bristle brush for corners and edges, a squeegee for larger glass surfaces. Step-by-step deep cleaning process. 1. Remove loose dust and debris before applying any liquid cleaner. Wipe the surface with a dry microfiber cloth. This prevents scratching caused by trapped particles. 2. Apply the cleaning solution. Spray a light mist of cleaner evenly across the surface. Avoid oversaturating to prevent streaks or damage to surrounding areas. 3. Wipe in a circular motion. Use a clean microfiber cloth to wipe in gentle circular motions. This ensures even cleaning and lifts stubborn marks. 4. Focus on edges and corners. These areas often trap dust and grime. A small brush or cotton swab can help you reach them without scratching. 5. Finish with a squeegee for large glass panels. Use a squeegee from top to bottom. Wipe the blade after each pass for a streak-free shine. Pro tips for maintaining shine clean during cooler parts of the day to avoid quick drying and streaks. Use distilled water to prevent mineral spots. Keep microfiber cloths separate from other laundry to maintain softness. Deep cleaning for different transparent surfaces, glass windows and doors. These require both interior and exterior cleaning. For outside, use a hose to rinse away dust before applying cleaner. Acrylic and plexiglass, avoid harsh chemicals as they can cause clouding. Use mild soap and water for safe cleaning. Mirrors. Spray cleaner onto a cloth, not directly on the mirror, to prevent moisture from seeping into the backing. The satisfaction of a perfectly clean surface. There's something incredibly rewarding about seeing a transparent surface transform from cloudy to crystal clear. The light reflects beautifully, and the entire space feels fresher. Conclusion. Deep cleaning transparent surfaces not only enhances their beauty but also extends their lifespan. With the right tools, techniques, and care, you can enjoy spotless, gleaming results every time. A little effort delivers an immensely satisfying transformation.